So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng BDO online app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para sa mga iOS users, pwede tayong mag-update sa ating App Store, and para sa mga Android users, pwede naman sa Google Play Store. So ayan, i-open ko na yung aking Google Play Store. Then pagka-open, itap nyo lang yung search na nandito sa may lower part para lumabas yung search bar, and dito sa search bar, isi-search natin is BDO Online. So ito yung pinakang legit na application ni BDO Mobile Banking App. So ito yung piliin natin guys, BDO Online. So kung hindi pa updated yung inyong BDO Online Mobile Banking App, ganito yung lalabas. So update yung nakalagay dyan. Pero kung updated na guys yung inyong application, open na lang. So since hindi pa updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan, after ma-install, itap na natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. So ayan guys, i-login nyo lang yung inyong account and makikita nyo na yung mga bagong features na dinagdag ni BDO. So ayun lang, ganun lang kasimple guys. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.